EarthToSashaASMR. Hey everybody, and welcome back to EarthToSashaASMR. In today's video, I am going to be doing a soft-spoken / whispered haul video from a company called David's Tea. David's Tea. This is not a sponsored video or anything. It's just a North American tea company, and I have a lot of products that I think could make some really good sounds. So excuse the way I look in this video as well, but yeah. So let's get into the haul video. My hair is a mess. I went on the boat and it's just bad. This is the box. Very big, very big. Very big, very big, very big. So I spent about $130. So the first thing I got is this set of tumbler cups, color changing reusable cold cups. So came with 4, but there's only 3 in here right now because one is in my closet. And it comes with cups, the lids, and matching straws. And I guess they change color based on the temperature. So these were really cheap. These were like $12.99 for a pack of 4. And it's just good to put iced coffee in, or tea, just lemon water, whatever your heart desires. Nobody's home right now, so I'm filming, but there might still be car sounds and stuff like that. I did some meal prep today. Broccoli, sweet potatoes, rice, some beans, and what else? I can't remember. Oh, tofu. Okay, guys. So I guess we'll start going with accessories. The next thing I got was this iced tea press, and this comes in this cellophane packaging. And I got this package like 2 weeks ago. I've literally been waiting to film this haul, so I'm so excited to use all this stuff after. It's an iced tea press, and it's 16 ounces, 475 milliliters, and it's for making iced tea on the go. So basically, it says you separate inner compartment from outer sleeve. Add 1 to 2 perfect spoons of tea to outer sleeve, so this part, underneath there, I think. Pour in hot water to the fill line and steep according to tea instructions. While tea is steeping, fill the inner compartment with ice, so this part. Screw on the lid and place it into the outer sleeve, stopping before the water line. When your tea is ready, slowly press the inner compartment all the way down and twist to lock the inner compartment. Maybe I'll make a video on how to use this or something, but it's cute and it's little designs on it. Sticker off. And we'll keep that little instruction thing. Take the sticker off too. Okay, cool. So the next thing I got was this matcha spoon. So if you guys don't know what matcha is, it's just powdered green tea. And I guess this spoon is perfect for scooping matcha and mixing it. And it was only $5. So it's a very nice spoon. The next thing I got also have to do with matcha, and it is a matcha frother. So it's a matcha frother by David's Tea, made by Aero Latte. Signed by Aero Latte for David's Tea. And it's just this wooden thing, and basically it's meant to froth your matcha. There's batteries in it, so you just put it in your cup and go. Yeah, pretty interesting. So I don't even like matcha that much. I got matcha to try, and it's okay. I'm more of a coffee person, but it is healthier for you. So I really look crazy in this video. It's fine. you'll flip over your lid and this handy floating infuser. Float in a mug full of hot water. So basically you put the tea in here and then you put the little thing in your mug and you pop the lid in it. And it has a little lip on it. Put it in here, put the lid on, drop it in your mug. And one thing I really like to do is make like a really concentrated blend of teas, and then like wait till it cools down a bit, put it in like a big jar or whatever, add ice and lemon, and that's what I like to drink instead of like juices and stuff. So yeah, this is the Lipa Infuser by David's Tea. So yeah, are pretty much the exact same things, just in different colors, and they are just meshed tea ball infusers. Just like this, and they come on a little metal string. It's so hot here in Canada today. It's like 30 degrees, and I've just been inside. So everybody went on the boat, and I stayed home, so I was still sleeping. So yeah, I like this little pink. It's so cute. Oh yeah. And then I got the blue one, and this is the one that I had before that I lost. So it's just this is the blue one, and it's just easy to drop this in your mug or your jar or whatever. Okay, cool. And the next thing I got, we'll go to the teas. So I got a couple different teas, and this is the David's Tea Organics Mother's Little Helper. And I don't know what that really means, but it is organic peppermint, organic lemongrass, organic hibiscus, organic rose hips, organic chamomile, organic valerian, cornflowers, natural peppermint flavoring. So smell it. I really like peppermint tea, so this is cool. Oh, look at that. It's like really thick. Oh my god, you can like totally see the flowers and everything. It's so cute. I love. Definitely going to be using that. Okay, the next one I got is the Lid Digestive, so I think it's for your stomach. Organic Lid Digestive, organic apple mint, organic ginger, organic fennel, organic peppermint, organic orange peel, natural mango peppermint flavor. Cool, let's try this one too. Ooh, that's potent. Ooh. It's green. You guys can see? Oh, that's very strong peppermint, which is fine because I love peppermint. And the next tea that I got is the cherry berry punch. Now I'm a fan of like fruity teas. This is black tea, apple, hibiscus blossoms. I love hibiscus. I'm a sucker for hibiscus. Candied pineapple, natural cherry pineapple flavoring, raspberries, and stevia extract. The other ones were organic, and this one's not. Oh, I'm gonna like this one. Oh my god, it smells so good. So, looks like that. There's like whole raspberries in there. It's so cool. I love that. The next tea that I got is the Organic Detox. This is organic Rubio's tea, organic sencha green tea, organic lemongrass, organic ginger, organic juniper berries, organic ginkgo biloba leaves, and natural lemon flavoring. So let's smell this one too. Ooh. Wow. There's like whole juniper berries in there, if you guys can see. I'll pull one out. Kind of cool. So yeah, pretty cool. I love teas. I'm obsessed with tea, but like herbal teas. I'm not like I don't drink like the tea that British people drink or anything like that. The next and last thing that I got from teas, like tea products, is this vanilla matcha. Now, the ingredients are coconut nectar, matcha green tea, and natural vanilla flavoring. So, yeah, I had this as like a drink and it was okay. But I think what I'm also going to do is just add it to like smoothies and stuff like that because it is good for you. Yeah, pretty good. And it tastes like it smells like it's vanilla flavored. It's vanilla matcha, so it smells like ice cream kind of. Holy crap, I got a lot of teas. So this is the next one. This is the organic 9 berries. This is organic elderberry, organic aronia berries, organic hibiscus, organic juniper, organic sweet blackberry leaves, organic chicory root, organic strawberries, organic blackcurrants, organic sea buckthorn berries, natural berry flavoring, organic raspberries, organic goji berries, and organic blueberries. So that's really cool. I like that they have organic options and stuff. It's pretty nice. It smells. Oh my god, it smells so good. I think I like this better than the cherry berry matcha. Oh, it's literally just a bunch of dried berries. Yeah, that's pretty cool, guys. Pretty exciting. The next thing I got was this tin. I got 2 of them. And these are just empty aluminum tins. And you can put teas in them. So I have a bunch of other like herbal mixes. So like what I might do is put like a bunch of mixes like in here. Like put a couple different teas in here and then just like always go between a bunch of different containers. Or like I don't know, I just got 2 of them to hold like random food products, like powders or whatever. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this little